LEMOA. LEMOA was signed in 2016. LEMOA was signed in 2016. It is Logistical Exchange Memorandum of Agreement. LEMOA, Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, which allows military of both the countries, both the countries to use each other's bases, for repair, refueling, and replenishment. REPLENISHMENT. Replenishment of supplies. Okay, this is LEMOA. Third, COMCASA. 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 See, General Security of Military Information Agreement we have signed in 2002. LEMOA 2016. COMCASA 2018. COMCASA was agreed between India and US last year, 2018. COMCASA. Communications compatibility and security agreement. It is perceived as an inevitable consequence of a large amount of US defense hardware. Large amount of US defense hardware India is purchasing. So India is purchasing large amount of defense hardware. So COMCASA we have taken, and COMCASA will allow US to transfer. Specialized equipment. COMCASA will allow US to transfer specialized equipment for encrypted communications. COMCASA will allow US to transfer specialized equipment for encrypted communications. Okay, we had all these COMCASA, LEMOA, all these agreements. BECA, not yet signed. BECA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. BECA, Basic Exchange and Cooperation Agreement. It provides for sharing and data gathering of geospatial information between the two militaries. So these are the foundational agreements between America and India. Next important topic is India-Bangladesh. In India-Bangladesh, first of all, as you all know, Rohingya issue is going on and other infiltrations are going on. What are the states in India which share border with Bangladesh along with its length? You should know which state is first, which state is second in length. First is West Bengal, 2217 kilometers. Total around 4,600 plus kilometers India shares with, largest border is with Bangladesh. So West Bengal 2217, Tripura 865 kilometers, Meghalaya 443, Assam 262 kilometers, Mizoram 180 kilometers. See, not only that, even India Bangladesh have border markets. In Meghalaya and Tripura, to each we have border markets. In Meghalaya, Kalaichar and Balat, K-A-L-A-I-C-H-A-R, Kalaichar and Balat, B-A-L-A-T. In Tripura, Srinagar and Kamala Sagar. There are two each border markets between border halves between India and Bangladesh. Meghalaya and Tripura. Meghalaya, Kalachar and Balat. Tripura, Srinagar and Kamala Nagar. So we have border halves, and now we are going to open more number of border halves. Border half means border market. And again, with respect to India and Bangladesh, there was a Roppur nuclear power plant. Roppur, R-O-P-P-U-R. The first nuclear power plant in Bangladesh. Roppur nuclear power plant is the first nuclear power plant in Bangladesh. Russia and India are supporting for this power plant. Roppur nuclear power plant. And the power plant in the banks of river Padma, that is river Ganga. Okay, power plant is in river Padma. And Russia is also helping, India is also helping. So this is important. Next in news is Arctic Council. 3 years back, India got observer status in Arctic Council. When India got observer status in Arctic Council, there is a question in UPSC about Arctic Council members. When India got observer status in Arctic Council, there is a question in UPSC on Arctic Council members, PLIMS. Which of the following countries are members? A, B, C, D. You have to select A, B, C or like that. So, Arctic Council have 8 members. Arctic region countries, okay, in which they have land in the Arctic Circle. In the Arctic Circle, their sovereignty is there in the Arctic Circle. So, you should know what are the countries in the Arctic Circle. US, Canada, Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland. See here, officially Denmark will come, but not in the mainland Denmark, but in Greenland. Arctic Circle revolves around Greenland, but not in the mainland Denmark. But still it is in the, Denmark is a member, because Greenland is in the control of Denmark. Okay, there are 8 members. US, Canada, Russia, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Iceland, Denmark. And one more question you may get on this. In Canada, Arctic Circle cuts which lake? Great Bear Lake. In Canada, Arctic Circle cuts which lake? Goes across which lake? Great Bear. G-R-E-A-T-B-E-A-R. Great Bear Lake. Okay, India got observer status. India and China got observer status in 2013. India and China got observer status in 2013. Next, WWF. WWF. The precursor to WWF is Conservation Foundation. WWF, the precursor is Conservation Foundation. And one simple question. Debt for nature swap. WWF follows an ideology called debt for nature swap. If you protect the nature, you will be exonerated from some of your debts. The money which you owe if you take for environmental projects. So, debt for nature swap. DEBT, debt for nature swap. This is important. Debt for nature swap. The logo of WWF is Giant Panda. The logo is Giant Panda. WWF is an international NGO. It's an international NGO working in the field of wildlife preservation. And it's the world's largest conservation organization. World's largest conservation organization. It was founded in 1961. Headquarters Gland, Switzerland. G-L-A-N-D, Gland, Switzerland. And every year it publishes, regularly it publishes Living Planet Report and Living Planet Index. Living Planet Report and Living Planet Index. Okay, not only that, it also conducts ecological footprint calculations. And it also conducts Earth Hour. In March every year, It also conducts Earth Hour. 8:30 to 9:30 one day it will earmark. All lights should be off voluntarily. Which organization conducts Earth Hour? WWF. If you open WWF website, they will be showing time. How many minutes, how many seconds, how many days, how many hours left for Earth Hour. So even that will be shown. So one more important question in IR and geography. Makassar Strait, Makassar, Makassar is a strait between the islands of Borneo, Borneo, Borneo and Sulawesi, Sulawesi, Borneo, Borneo, Borneo and Sulawesi in Indonesia. Why it is in use? Makassar Strait. Why it is in use? Student, check it out and let me know by tomorrow. Makassar Strait. Okay. These are the important questions. And apart from that, in 1917, but that question have not come last year, 1917, we have a declaration called Balfour Declaration. In history it will come, Balfour, Balfour, where British authorities declared that they have to give support to Jewish state. Balfour Declaration. In 2017 it celebrated 100 years. Last year prelims question is expected but it have not come. Suddenly they might give, there is a remote chance, but still remember, Balfour Declaration 1917 completed 100 years in 2017, and that means that was a declaration given by British Balfour, and the declaration is about Jewish state, relating to creation of Jewish state. Done.